Now, the windmills is a fantastic exercise, guys, to really work those oblique fibers. One of my go-to exercise besides the Russian twist when it comes to working those obliques. Now, the few main key points into performing this exercise well. As your breathing goes, inhale. For example, if you're going to start on your left, inhale on your left. When you switch over, when you rotate to your right, exhale out. With any exercise, do not hold your breath. Remember, guys, inhale through the nose, exhale through your mouth. This is key point number one. Key point number two, your posture. When I'm lying down, my chest is out, my back is arched, my shoulder base is contracted, my core is definitely engaged. So if you notice when I'm performing this exercise, my head is tilted out slightly. I'm trying to keep as much tension on my core. So as I perform these exercises, I rotate left and right, I really get to feel that squeeze onto not just my abdominals, but my obliques as well. So this is key point number two, guys, your posture. Key point number three, this is the final key point. Now, when you perform this exercise, remember, in your mind, you're actually directing your knees left and right. It is not your entire feet. You need to understand this, yeah? So as I'm doing this, remember, as I'm moving left and right, I'm trying to really move those knee joints and get as much stretch, as much squeeze onto my oblique fibers. So this way, with the rotation left and right, you can really feel that squeeze, that tension, those obliques firing. So guys, there you have it, the three main key points into performing the windmills.